control valve has an open or short circuit. Here are two simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method A, oil change. Locate the oil drain plug on your vehicle and place an oil collection pan underneath it. Use the socket ratchet to remove the plug from the oil pan on your vehicle. Once the plug is removed, the oil should start flowing out into your collection pan. Once all the oil is drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it back on. The oil filter is usually located beside the oil pan, or under the hood of your vehicle near the engine. Place the collection pan under the filter. There would be oil in the filter itself that could be hot, so it is important that the oil goes into the collection pan. Spread a bit of fresh oil evenly on the new filter's gasket. Then install the new oil filter. Tighten the filter an additional 3/4 of a turn. Be sure not to over-tighten. To fill the vehicle with fresh oil, you should first locate your oil fill cap at the top of the engine. Clean the cap before removing it. Take the cap off and place the funnel into the opening. Add the amount of oil specified in your owner's manual, and then replace the cap. After the oil change, start the engine and let it run for a minute to bring your oil pressure up, and recheck your oil level. To check oil levels, pull the dipstick out and clean it off. Replace the dipstick, and pull it out again. The oil should be near the top dot or fill line. If it is close to the lower dot, you'll need to add more oil. If your oil levels are good, replace the dipstick and shut the hood. Place the used oil from your collection pan into an airtight container with a screw-on cap. Make sure the oil is cool before transferring to the container. Used motor oil can be recycled at most auto stores or at recycling centers. Method B, the camshaft oil control valve. The camshaft oil control valves are usually located in cars that have engines with variable valve timing systems in them. First, carefully remove the camshaft oil control valve from the engine. Use a valve cleaner to clean the camshaft oil control valve. Then, use a multimeter to proceed a test on the camshaft oil control valve. In ambient temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit, the valve resistance is between 6.9 ohms to 7.9 ohms. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the camshaft oil control valve is faulty and needs to be replaced. So here are two of the most practical solutions to fix the P0020 error code.